Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you or give you a rolling flow that you can do when you don't have a lot of space. So this is I'm in a hotel, I can hardly have room to roll at all, but I'm still gonna roll. And here's a nice little flow that you can do that doesn't take really a lot of room. So if you got this much room where you can put your hands out to here, you got enough. And if you don't have this much room, can you do this? Either way, we're gonna start here with easy peasy windshield wipers. And it's hard for me to go to my right because I got this microphone. There we go. So working back and forth, and then we're gonna add the head and the upper body to this. So we're gonna roll to our side, continue to roll the head, and we're gonna bring the forearm to the ground, and then we're gonna undo it, roll to the other side, continue to look, undo it. So now, with the windshield wiper, we're doing the modified windshield wiper to get a whole body roll. And then from here, we're gonna take this windshield wiper, modified windshield wiper, into a scissor kick. So you see I'm starting to let my legs have some fun. And what I'm gonna do is come all the way over. So it's very similar, but it's also quite different. So we're still almost inside that windshield wiper, but we're now using the scissor kick to bring ourselves over. So we're almost all the way over, and again, we have hardly used any space at all. Getting full, good body rolls, lower and upper. And then from here, I'm just gonna scooch over, get my microphone out the way, and I'm gonna do half frog rolls that don't take up any room whatsoever, still getting in good rotation. These are wonderful. And then from here, I'm gonna turn these, scooch over to my butt, and now I'm gonna do seated V-sit rolls. And then that, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, that is a compact space rolling flow that you can do that nourishes your spine, your skin, your joints, your vestibular system. It's just good for you, and it doesn't take a lot of space. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. See if you don't feel amazing after you do that. All right, kids, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.